Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Bhojshala. The Supreme Court today directed that both Basant Panchami Pujas and Friday Juma Namaz be allowed to take place peacefully at the Bhojshala Kamal Mola complex in Madhya Pradesh, a site that is long disputed between Hindu and Muslim communities over its religious identity. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, Justice Joymalia Bagchi and Justice Vipul Pancholi was hearing an application filed by the Hindu Front for Justice seeking permission to conduct day-long rituals on Basant Panchami, which falls this year on January 23, that is, tomorrow. Bhojshala, an 11th century monument protected by the Archaeological Survey of India, is seen differently by the two communities. Hindus consider it a temple dedicated to Vagdevi or goddess Saraswati, while Muslims regard it as the Kamal Mola Mosque, and under a 2003 agreement, Hindus perform puja at the complex on Tuesdays and Muslims offer namaz there on Fridays. However, the arrangement does not address situations when Basant Panchami coincides with Friday prayers. That is a rare occurrence, happening only 4 times since 2006, including this year. Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain, representing the Hindu Front for Justice, told the court that pujas and havans for Basant Panchami would be held from sunrise to sunset. And senior advocate Salman Khurshid, representing the mosque committee, said that the Friday Juma Namaz occurs between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. and cannot be rescheduled. Jain suggested holding the namaz after 5 p.m. to allow uninterrupted puja, but Khurshid explained that the timing of Friday prayers is fixed according to the religious practice. Additional Solicitor General K.M. Nataraj, representing the Union Government and the ASI, proposed that the Muslim community provide the district administration with the expected number of attendees, so a separate enclosure could be arranged for them within the compound. And the administration would also issue passes to manage access and ensure law and order. Khurshid agreed to provide the list immediately. The Supreme Court directed that a separate and exclusive area within the compound be allotted for namaz between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. with independent entry and exit points, while the Hindu community would have a distinct space for Basant Panchami rituals. The bench emphasized that the district administration should take necessary steps, including issuing passes, in order to prevent any untoward incidents, and appealed to both the communities to observe mutual respect and cooperate with the authorities. Well, the application forms part of the 2024 special leave petition by the Maulana Welfare Society of Dhar, challenging a Madhya Pradesh High Court order directing the ASI to conduct a survey at the complex. In April 2024, the Supreme Court allowed the survey to continue without any physical excavation that could alter the structure's character and restrained any action based on its findings without prior permission. And today, the bench disposed of the petition, directing the High Court to hear the matter through a division bench headed by senior-most judges. The ASI has completed a scientific survey and submitted the report in a sealed cover to the High Court. The Supreme Court observed that the High Court may unseal the report, provide copies to the parties and allow inspection of any confidential parts in the presence of advocates. The High Court will consider all the objections, suggestions and recommendations during the final hearing. Security has also been heightened ahead of the Basant Panchami with around 8,000 police personnel, including the Central Reserve Police Force and Rapid Action Force, deployed across the district. Foot and vehicle patrols are also in place and CCTV surveillance is operational and social media activity is being monitored in order to maintain law and order in the area. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.